starter code which tells the bee to move forward and get nectar 3 times and then turn right. Let's take that whole piece of code and nest it inside another repeat block and set it to repeat 3 times. Done.
All right. So now I need to navigate us actually, because the next step is going to be a bit challenging. So we want to navigate us now. So if you can type your name quickly now. Tiolu and Tishe, that's it. So, okay, Tiolu and Tishe. So do you want to help David? David's going to be the driver for this next set. Okay, is it Joshua? Okay, all right, cool. Sorry. So, yeah, Tishe and Tolu, they are going to help you with it.
Wait a minute.
David, do you want to also help also?
Wait,
yeah. So what we need, I think hold on. Yeah, exactly. For this, I don't think we need a navigator. So I just want everyone to type what do they think is the answer. So if you think it's A, you should type A. If you think it's B, you type B. If you think it's C, we type C. Then if you think it's D. So can you do that right now? Can everyone type what they think the answer is? Look at the questions. So, and type what you think the answer is. Quickly, 1, 2, go. So that's what we've done is prediction. So, okay, answer is D, is C. Yeah, that's right. Well done, Joshua. Can you run the code? Yeah.
Press
Thank you, Joshua.
Okay. This one, we have nectar all over the place. So it looks like we need to use the repeat. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Oh yeah, and who wants to be the navigator this time? There's Tisha.
So I think we had Tishe and Tolu last time, isn't it? Okay. All right, okay. So, okay, let's do Tishe and Tolu together. They can assist and be the navigator, okay? Can you unmute yourself, guys? So, yeah. You know what the assignment is. So this time around, you want to collect all the nectars, but you're going to use few blocks as possible. Tishe, do you want to go first? Okay, Tiolu, do you want to go there?
Okay. So what do I do?
Actually, can you talk now?
Okay, we'll do someone else then. So it looks like it's going to be Gabby next. Can you unmute yourself? So what do I do?
I can't unmute myself. Okay. So what you do first is repeat 4 times.
Yes,
You put move forward.
Yes.
And then you turn right.
In the move forward. In the repeat.
Underneath.
Okay.
Underneath. Then you move. No, wait. Can you actually take off everything, please? Okay, so repeat 4 times again. And then move forward. And then get nectar.
Is that all?
No, and then and then underneath the repeat 4 times, you put turn right.
Done.
No, and then you move forward 3 times. So repeat 3 times. Move forward. Then you turn left.
Underneath or inside?
You could do underneath, please. And then I think let's run it and let's see how it goes.
Let's step run into it. Okay, so you can see that there should be some turning.
Yeah.
So the right turn that you put outside, maybe that should be inside the loop or what?
Yeah, I think you have to go inside.
Repeat 4.
Repeat.
It's supposed to be 3, so it's
3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, all right, cool. Let's try that. Okay, brilliant. But it's not getting the nectar, right?
And then in the repeat 3 times, the second one, can you actually put get nectar inside too, please?
Good.
And then run.
So what we are actually doing is what is called debugging, right? Trying to see if the code actually makes sense. Oh, it's turning the other way around.
And then turn.
it's turning left, but it's not supposed to turn left, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what should I change it to?
Right. Please.
Okay.
Then after that, what is the next block?
You repeat 3 times. Move forward and get nectar. And then let's test that one.
Okay, all right. Can you see that you actually doing some repetitions every time? Can you see that?
Yeah.
So if you are doing the repetition every time, what do? You might think about using another loop outside it.
Yeah. So then you turn left.
Hold on. Before you turn left, if you look at the code, you've got 3 sets of codes doing the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So that means you are actually repeating yourself. As you can see, all these 3 are doing the same thing. So if you bring another one here, right, to do this next one, so it's going to be the same thing, right? So if you have something like this, what do? You need to put it inside a loop, basically. So it now does it for you for a number of times that you want. Does that make sense to you?
Then that's all you need to do this one.
Yeah. So you are actually very close. It's only that there's a Okay, well done. Yeah. So let's see what the code. Let's see the code.
So the code is variable count 2, then
you count, right?
It will count 2 plus.
Yeah, so that's like increasing 1 by 1.
And the variable will count. It will count 3 and it will count plus. So it will do it 4 times, and it will move forward and turn.
So as you can see, you got loops inside another loop. Like I said last week, you have 4 is a loop, 4 loop. And inside that 4 loop, you have another 4 loop, basically. The one at the outside is go 4 times, and the one inside is doing it for 3 times rather. And you are actually moving forward 3 times in one loop, and also you're moving 4 times in another loop. So that's what your code has done. Thank you so much, Gabby, for that.
You're welcome.
So Joshua, so it's going to be the last one. So, and that's will be it.
Get through this, then we can continue to the next one.
Is there any question? Okay, that's fine. So I think this time around, okay, let's try to get someone that's not spoken before at all. If someone that's not, someone, I know some names, they're common now, so we're looking for someone new. So a new navigator now. A new navigator, if you want to be a navigator on this one. All right, cool. Let's go for it. Maiwa. So I will just unmute you. Okay, okay, go ahead.
Can you move forward, please? And then turn right.
Okay, the first thing you need to look, where is the zombie?
Yeah, if it just does that, it's not going to move all the way.
Okay.
So it's going to go here, then it's going to go here, then it's going to go here. How many times is that?
3.
Yeah, so you need to repeat 3 times.
Okay.
And you might want to change this to left.
All right,
so then come to then do we move forward?
Where?
After turn left.
Wait, but you can only use one move forward.
Okay.
And why do you think I have to repeat 3 times?
I'm not sure. Do we move forward? Do we put move? We can't put move forward. Should we put move forward inside? Repeat 3 times.
Yes. I think we should test that now.
Or
Wait.
Or do we need to do we need to take out turn left?
No, actually, you'd have to put these inside.
In between move forward and turn left.
After that.
Yeah, then that. Let's see it now. Yeah.
Will you be able to explain the code?
So, as in like what it says here.
Yes.
So.
The var stands for variable.
Okay. So variable count to. To 0. And then count to. Count to 3, count 2, and variable to
Wait, just telling you, but this part shows on how much numbers it's going to be, and the other plus means it's going to add 1 each time.
Wait, I didn't hear you properly, sorry.
Here it shows that which number it's going to count up to.
Yeah.
Plus here.
Yeah.
Presents that it will count up 1 each time.
Okay.
Wait, I want to check the thingy.
Okay. If I may explain this code again, right? So this is a nested loop. You have a code inside. So this code is going to run for 4 times. For the first attempt, it's going to run 4 times, and then after that, because let's say it starts with count is equal to 0. When count is equal to 0, it's going to come here and move forward, and it's going to move forward for 4 times, and it's going to increase it again. It's going to come here, count is equal to 1, and it's going to run this code again. So it's going to do that like repetition like that. So before it moves, then also it's going to move left every time. So that is what the repetition or nested loop actually does, basically. So this is going to be the end of the class for this evening. So what we're going to do, I'll give one chance to anyone that wants to solve this by himself or herself. So you can share your screen if you want to. So I also want to see someone that's not spoken before. So if you have not spoken before and you want to share your screen, I can ask you to share your screen. So if you want to, okay. Okay. Anik, so Anik, let's go. Anik, if you can share your screen. So can the admin please unmute Anik, and Anik, you can share your screen. I'm going to stop sharing right now. So Anik, do you want to share your screen for everyone? Okay. Cool.
Sorry, I wasn't on the page yet.
Oh, okay. So what you need to log in first. Go to the top. Sign in. You need to sign in. Can everyone also go through this? You need to click on sign in. So if you have not got a login details, you need to ask your parents to create one for you.
Okay. I need to pause the screen to do the account.
Okay, all right, cool. So you can unshare the screen then. Okay, cool. So do we have anyone also that's got an account created already? If you have an account created already and you want to show us. Anyone that's got account created, you've logged in and you want to. Okay, all right. So I'll just go quickly because I think some people are struggling with registration. So I'll go quickly on how you can register and also log in. Okay. One minute. Let me. We have Adibola or Anu. I think there's some people that have already registered, so they've got their accounts created. So if any one of you is here and you want to give it a go, so I'm going to send you the chart now on how to register so that everyone can have that. All right, so I think, can everyone hear me? Okay, all right. If Annie is ready, okay, all right, let's go. Then, okay. Do you want to share your screen, Annie? Annie, do you want to share your screen? Hold on, I think I'm gonna need to stop sharing first. Annie, do you want to share your screen? In the meantime, Kemi Akibo, have you got any question? You are raising your hand. Kemi Akibo, if you have any question, can you say or type the question? So, Annie, if you go to the top, right, you need to.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to 1 minute. I need to send this.
Pardon?
So can you click on that link I just sent out to you right now?
I don't see it.
On Zoom.
Oh, okay.
The time is fast spent. We don't have enough time right now. Can you see it?
No.
Okay, can you remove the project at the end of your screen of the URL and just put, instead of the project, put join. Can that person that's writing on the screen, please don't do that.
Pardon?
Can you replace the project with join? Okay, I'm going to share my screen quickly and I will put everyone. Okay, so you just need to go to so if you go here, so then what you just need to type, you need to type it. You need to type that. Once you type this particular text and you click on join, so it will ask you to register if you've not registered. So if you have registered, it just needs to sign in. So I'm going to sign in as David now. Then you would see the course outline. So this is the 5 courses that we've gone through. So you can click on each one of them. So we've gone from 1 to 6 tonight. So the 7th is what we are doing. So assignment is before the next lesson. You should complete the rest. I'm going to send the details even to your parents also. So just have fun, complete the rest, and the other ones that we've done in the previous classes, so you can also play with them to complete them. So at the end of each one of them, you're going to have certificates. Give it to your parent to send to me. So I hope that is clear. So you just need to go to the course. What you just need to do, again, that is a link for that. So the first thing you need to do is, hold on, let me bring that up again. On the chat, I have sent the URL to you that you need to click. So quickly, let me see if there's any messages. So if you cannot remember your display name, you can request for another one, okay? So if you have been able to sign in, can you please complete the rest of the assignments so before the next class? So if that's fine. So if you are not, okay, I'm going to go through this again. I'm going to go through this again. So because it seems some people are confused. So you go to this screen, to this particular URL, right? So if you go there, you need to enter this particular code. I have sent the URL to you. The URL is this one and the code is this. And you click on join. If you have not signed in, it's going to ask you to sign in. So you click on join. No, it says right there. Okay, so you've already said you've already registered. If you already register, it's going to take you here. But if not, it's going to ask you to register, and you register and you sign in, and you get to this point. Then you can click on these ones. Is that okay? So we go through it again on the next class. So the next class is on Sunday, 6 to 7. Okay, that is it for this evening. I hope you enjoyed it. So have fun with the assignment. If you cannot get in, let me know. So we do a video and we'll send it to you. All right, have a good evening. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you. And we'll see you on Sunday.